To continue on from our points of inflection and our shape, we're going to be able to draw the first derivative and second derivative from our original function. So when we do so, we're looking for the key points. So our first derivative is going to have zeros in line with our stationary points. So here we have a maximum, here we have another local minimum. So they're going to become our x-intercepts for our first derivative. When we do that, we need to look at the gradient. So here the gradient is negative, means that the slope was a negative coordinate. It becomes a positive coordinate before becoming negative. So again, somewhere in here, we're going to have a turning point to go through that x-intercept. And again, there's going to be another turning point in here to correspond with the local minimum. So for these easier polynomials, we started with a quartic function for f of x. So f dashed of x is going to be a cubic. We're decreasing the order by 1. The next graph we're going to look at of the second derivative, I apply the same concept. So that local maximum and this local minimum correspond with our x-intercepts. Up until that point, the gradient of f dashed was positive. So we go from above to below. And to get back to this second x-intercept, the section of that curve is negative. So we go and have a local minimum before the slope increases again. So f dashed of x, key points become the x-intercepts of our second derivative function.